Quiz Platter. Platter full of knowledge. McDonald's quiz. Before we start, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our quizzes. Who helped expand McDonald's into a global franchise? Answer D. Ray Kroc. In which year did the first franchised McDonald's open? Answer A. 1955. What is McDonald's mascot called? Answer C. Ronald McDonald. Which burger is McDonald's signature product? Answer B. Big Mac. McDonald's is famous for which side dish? Answer D. French fries. What is the McDonald's breakfast sandwich with egg and cheese called? Answer C. Egg McMuffin. Where is McDonald's headquarters located? Answer A. Chicago. What is McDonald's largest source of revenue? Answer D. Rent from properties. Which country consumes the most McDonald's food? Answer C. United States. Which politician is famously known for frequently eating McDonald's? Answer D. Donald Trump. What is the McDonald's global slogan? Answer A. I'm loving it. McDonald's introduced which dessert in 1995? Answer A. McFlurry. Which item is a McDonald's chicken sandwich? Answer D. McChicken. McDonald's popular clown-themed playground is part of which product? Answer D. Play Place. Which charity is McDonald's associated with? Answer: D. Ronald McDonald House Charities. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.